I've got a dual stabilizer kit from Rough Country. Um, I'm not running huge tires, but I thought I'd give it a try. The price was right, and I do feel, when you're hitting bumps and stuff, the front end kind of jarring, wiggling back and forth, what have you. So thought I'd give it a try and see if it helps out any. Kit's pretty basic. Couple shocks, dampeners, mounting brackets, hardware, and the most valuable accessory is the stickers and directions. But should be pretty simple. All right, first up, take off the steering stabilizer, factory one. And now we got the 13mm bracket bolts to get off. Three bolts, 13mm. All right, so we got our bracket, and two of the bolts will bolt back into the original holes, and we have this U-bolt that will go around like so. Pain in the ass. All right, next is the brackets with U-bolts. Get them snugged up to each side. This is 1/2 inch. Well, it'd help if I put it on the right way. These two go this way. All right, short break. Sugar was getting low, so I had to go get a little snack. Yeah, this driver's side's got this pin through here, so make sure you put the bracket and U-bolts on the other side of the pin. So, we now have our dampeners, shocks, whatever you want to call them. We'll put these on here. The rod to the outside. Washer. Snug that up. Get this one snugged up. So, I got this passenger side, if you can see. Got this nice little cool shield that says RC for rough country. So now to pop this one in. Washer, nut. All right, get these snugged up. So the GoPro battery went dead there at the end as I was tightening up the last couple bolts, but got enough charge in it now. So I got everything tightened up. You know, I got the most important part of the job done. I put the stickers on, so it's complete now. And just got back. I took it down the road, and I think it made an improvement. I know a lot of people say it's a waste of money, don't do it, but to each their own. I took it over a couple areas that are pretty rough where they replaced culverts, and you know, it feels so much better going over those rough areas and bumps. But time will tell. But so far, just driving a few miles over a bumpy road, back roads, hitting some potholes, and I think it made a big difference. So it really tightened it up some. Yeah, so you know, I think it's worth it. The wife's hopefully will be here in a couple days. She's running the 35-inch Patagonias, which are bigger and heavier than my 33s. So I think we'll see a big improvement on her JK also. So can't wait for it to get here and see how it does.